Tonight, we are told that the Union Rescue Mission does remain open, but the county is expected to set up 3 triage tents to begin checking people starting tomorrow. That's after an employee tested positive for the novel coronavirus.
Just asking everybody to keep praying.
The call for prayer comes as the first case of coronavirus has hit Skid Row. An employee of the Union Rescue Mission is in intensive care unit tonight after testing positive for the virus yesterday. Andy Bales, the chief executive officer of the mission, says they are still taking people in, but have shut down the building's 3rd floor where that employee lived, and dozens are now in isolation.
To give you an idea, we have 95 in isolation on the 3rd floor. Those were the floor mates, sharing 6 restrooms between them all. About 38 men sharing the restroom that they used. And then we've put an additional 8 either quarantining off-site, a couple at Dockweiler Beach, and some quarantining at home. So I'd say maybe 103 to 105 people are in isolation.
It's come from us to there, but it has the potential, like wildfire, to spread.
Today, LA Mayor Eric Garcetti doubling down on efforts to open up 900 hotel and motel rooms for emergency shelter before an outbreak. The mayor also taking action on construction companies that have failed to protect workers' health. Although they are considered essential businesses, the mayor says city inspectors will now be sent to sites to make sure they are following guidelines.
It puts lives at risk, will be shut down. It's as simple as that.
The move comes as LA County is now seeing deaths from the virus double every 4 days. The number of positive cases are also quickly rising, but county doctors say it's due to more test sites.
So we have more than tripled the number of positive cases here in LA County in a week.
And tonight, good news from the governor, who is now predicting California could hit its peak by mid-May. That's a month after the expected peak in New York. The governor says it will buy the state more time to prepare and acquire more beds, medical equipment, and hospital staff. And he says it's all because California made the decision early to begin social distancing.
And that was the whole point of moving early on physical distancing. There is no regrets in the state of California.
And tonight, some more good news after the governor put out an urgent plea to retired doctors, nurses, and medical students to sign up to volunteer across the state. More than 34,000 of those people ended up signing up in just 2 days. Reporting in downtown Los Angeles, Leslie Marin, KCAL 9 News.